In what can only be termed as karmic justice, Bangalore-based influencer and makeup artist Hitesha Chandrani has been booked by police for falsely accusing the Zomato delivery man Kamraj of attacking her over delayed service. According to the local police, Hitesha Chandrani has been charged with wrongful restraint, assault, intentional insult and criminal intimidation based on a complaint by the delivery man. An FIR was registered against Hitesha, the woman who claimed to be attacked by a Zomato delivery man, a police officer from the Bangalore police has said. According to this officer, Kamraj had stated that Chandrani had hit him with slippers, accused him of defaming her and hurled abuses at him on March 9th. Now, as you know, Chandrani in the meanwhile has deleted her video from Twitter that went viral, based on which the police had arrested Kamraj on March 10th. The same video, however, is still up on her Instagram account and it has over 21 million views. And the comments, however, have been all disabled on all her videos. Chandrani can be seen crying with a cut nose in this video, where she claims she was assaulted by the delivery person while she was lodging a complaint with the Zomato customer care, asking them to either deliver food for free or cancel the order after it was delayed. Now, the company Zomato, which had initially assured Chandrani that it would help her with the police investigation along with assistance on medical care that was required, later clarified that it was also with Kamraj, extending all support and all the possible help. As per protocol, we have temporarily suspended Kamraj from active deliveries but we are covering his earnings in the interim while there is an active police investigation, the Zomato founder Dipinder Goyal has said in a statement that he posted on Twitter. He has also said that his company was bearing all the legal expenses of the case. Now, this really is heartening because initially we all thought that Zomato had removed Kamraj from the services, but it looks like finally justice will prevail. And there's one more thing that I wanted to tell you guys. Upon some investigation on Chandrani's Instagram account, you will find that a lot of her followers, as you can see on your screen, could be fake. Now, these are the new followers that she has gotten, and as you know, she barely had a few thousand followers initially before this whole incident. Then it jumped to 70,000 odd after she complained and put the video, and right now as it stands she has over 91,000 followers. According to me, of course, the police investigation should continue and whoever is guilty should be punished appropriately. But if Chandrani is found to be guilty in all probabilities, which looks like it, that she used her woman card and victimized herself, and in a bid to get more followers, she stooped to such a level that she did not care that somebody's livelihood is at stake, somebody's life is at stake, somebody's family and earnings are at stake, and he could actually lose everything that this person lives for. And I have always maintained that in a country like ours, which is India, a man is always guilty until proven and a woman is always innocent until proven guilty. And this has to change. And it is extremely disheartening to see how people can go to any lengths just to get more followers on Instagram, and they don't care of what consequences they will face, and because of their actions what consequences others are facing who are innocent and who are being punished just because somebody is greedy to get more followers and free food. Now, what are your thoughts on this story? Please let me know in the comment section. What, according to you, could be the apt punishment for Hitesha if she is found to be guilty? According to me, the very Instagram account for which she did all of these dramas should be suspended and should not be allowed on this particular platform, because this is where her livelihood, her name, her fame, everything is associated with, and that would be her biggest punishment. Of course, over and above the law taking its own course. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you like my video, subscribe, hit on the bell icon. But as always, thank you so much for watching.